application backends with traditional methods involves a lot of work, even for common features like authentication, payment, auditing user actions, or chat integration. You have to rewrite the code. And copying code over from other projects isn't a breeze either. In fact, this can turn into a nightmare. This is where Arc by SourceFuse comes in. Arc API is our powerful microservice ecosystem based on a highly extensible loopback framework. With Arc API, you get more than a dozen pre-built and well-maintained microservices, including authentication service, audit service, video conferencing service, chat service, and many more. Add what you need and you are set. Furthermore, each service you add with Arc CLI comes loaded with features like ES-linked, prettier, testing tools, pre-configured IDE settings, Docker files, Swagger integration, a monitoring page, rate limiting, and database migrations, all right out of the box to further streamline the development process. Let's take a look at the command line interface that Arc API provides. With this, you can scaffold a monorepo project and add these pre-built microservices in no time. The very first step is to install the CLI on your system. Arc API is also known as SourceLoop, and all the NPM packages you will see here are named after that. Once installed, you can run this scaffold command to create your project. We will name the project Test Project. You will see a few options like the prefix. If you want to include the Backstage integration file, then the username of the owner, and some description for your project. What this command will basically do is go ahead and create a monorepo structure for your project, and it will include all the necessary files. Now that it is done, we can go ahead and add our first microservice. To do this, we will go to the project it created and run the SL microservice command, which is responsible for adding services. You can pick from all the microservices here. For now, we will add the authentication service. We can specify the Docker image prefix, name of the data source to generate, type of the database, etc. Any features that you want to exclude can just be disabled. And that's it. We just created the authentication service. Let's see what this project contains. We have the structure. Then the services folder contains the authentication service we just created. To run this application, you just need to specify the environment. We'll go ahead and put my sample configuration here. Now we can start this application by heading into the services, authorized service folder, and running npm start. And here we have our app ready. You can see all the APIs it includes in the Swagger UI Explorer. So there you have it. Arc API saves you time, simplifies updates, and comes with a wide range of pre-configured features. Why not try Arc API for your next project? Head on to our GitHub repository for more details and to access our official documentation. Thank you for watching.